Well, hello there. I'm Ozzy the Otter, and I'm here to tell you all about sparkling clean glasses. Otter Cleaning Water for sparkling glasses. You want sparkling cleaning results, right? That's exactly what you get with Otter Cleaning Water. Give your glasses their best sparkle. My secret? It's an all-natural formulation. We're talking professional sparkle here, with high pH water and absolutely no harsh chemicals or ammonia. It's non-abrasive, leaves no streaks or residues, and it's even biodegradable and non-toxic. How great is that? You'll love the residue-free results. Just spray, clean, polish, and show off those glasses without any water spots, fingerprints, smudges, or streaks. It's like magic. And for the absolute best results, use my special Otter Cleaning Water with our ultra-fine microfiber otter cloths. They're perfect for cleaning and polishing. You can grab a regular size at 25 by 20 inches, or for the big jobs, a commercial size at 30 by 30 inches. So get ready for spotless, streak-free glasses every single time. You can learn more about me and Otter Cleaning Water at trendybartender.com. See ya!